Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making Galaxy Swiss roll, galactic. Put some baking paper on a baking tray and sprinkle on some icing sugar. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 200 grams of egg whites. Whisk until light and frothy. Now sift in 100 grams of plain flour. Also add 100 grams of sugar and 30 millilitres of vegetable oil, carefully folding that all into the egg white mixture with a spatula. Don't overmix. Great. Now split that into 3 bowls. And let's colour, starting with purple. Then going for blue, a dark nighttime shade of blue, and finally light blue. Right, using a spoon we're going to drizzle these colourful mixtures onto our baking paper, one by one. Keep layering on the colours. Wonderful. Now bake that at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Take it out once ready, let it cool, flip it upside down, and lather on some buttercream icing. Then roll it up. That is how we roll. Sprinkle on some icing sugar. Chop off the ends to tidy it up. And ready to slice. Amazing. Galaxy Swiss roll.